My name's Adam Calm. I work for Olivenhain Municipal Water District and I'm a system operator. I've been with the district for 17 years. Today we're out training the wastewater operators for Leucadia on collecting recycled water for their pump trucks.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Mendez with the Leucadia Wastewater District. Today we're out here getting trained by the Olivenhain Municipal Water District on how to use fill-up stations that they've put in specific areas for recycled water. We use the recycled water for cleaning roots and grease and anything that's found inside of our collection system pipes. It's important for Leucadia to access these fill-up stations because now we have recycled water instead of having to use potable water that we could use for showering and drinking.
The importance to having access to the recycled water out here in the field is to minimize the drive time for these large trucks back and forth to their agency. This is the first time we've worked with Leucadia regarding use of recycled water, and we're excited to continue this project.